In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use Google Vids templates for beginners. Whether you're looking to make your first video or just want to enhance your current project with a professional touch, Google Vids has got you covered with a variety of templates that can make the process smoother and more intuitive, even for beginners. So, let's dive right in and get you started on your video creation journey. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Vids. You can simply do this by opening your web browser and searching for Google Vids, or going directly to the Google Workspace website and finding the Vids product page. The interface is user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble spotting the Vids option. Once you're on the Google Vids page, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Since Google Vids is part of the Google Workspace, you'll need a Google account to use it. If you're not already logged in, this is where you'll do it. Clicking Sign In will prompt you to choose which Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one most relevant to the video project you're planning to work on. After signing in with your Google account, you're ready to start exploring the world of templates. You'll find the option to access templates in the Insert menu. This might seem like a small step, but it's your gateway to a whole library of professionally designed templates that can significantly reduce your workload and boost your creativity. Clicking on templates will unfold a rich collection of options, ranging from business presentations to educational content and even personal projects. It's like walking into a store where every item is free and you're allowed to take whatever you need. Spend some time browsing through these options. You'll notice templates for just about any type of video content you can imagine. This is the perfect opportunity to get inspired or to find exactly what you need to kickstart your project. Choosing a template might feel like picking a flavour at an ice cream shop. Everything looks appealing and it's hard to decide on just one. However, remember, you can always come back and try another template for your next project. For now, focus on the theme or style that best fits the vision of your video. Each template includes placeholders for text, images, or videos, making it super easy to customize with your own content. Think of it as a canvas where the basic layout and design work are already done for you, and all you need to do is add your personal touch. Once you've selected your template, it's time to make it your own. This part of the process is where your creativity comes into play. You can replace the default text with your script, upload images or videos that align with your message, and tweak the design elements to match your brand or personal style. And the best part? You don't need to be a design expert to make your video look professional. The templates are designed to be user-friendly and customizable, even for beginners. During your customization journey, keep in mind the balance between creativity and clarity. You want your video to be engaging, but it's also important that your message is clear and easy for your audience to follow. Use the placeholders as a guide for where to insert your content, but don't feel restricted by the design. Google Vids templates are flexible, allowing you to adjust elements as needed to better tell your story. As you finalize your video, take a moment to preview your work. This is your chance to make any last-minute adjustments and ensure everything looks and sounds just right. When you're satisfied with your masterpiece, you're ready to share it with the world. Whether it's for a work project, an educational assignment, or just for fun, you've now got a video that looks polished and professional. And there you have it. You've just learned how to find and use Google Vids templates, turning the daunting task of video creation into an enjoyable and creative process. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to explore different templates and experiment with various design elements. Each project you work on will build your skills and confidence, making you a more proficient and creative video maker. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful and has encouraged you to dive into video creation with Google Vids. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating.